Did you know you can make whole animations out of a single render? I make sure to enable some render elements like depth, denoising data, and light groups, as I will be animating the depth of field and lights. Also leave a bit of space in the render frame for pan and zoom animations. Once we have finished rendering our image, make sure to save it as a multi-channel EXR. In the compositor, we can delete the render layer. We don't need that. Instead, we will bring in the multi-channel EXR we saved and make sure to change from composite to view layer. We can use the depth pass to create a depth of field effect, just normalize it, plug everything into a defocus node and use a color ramp to control the focus distance. And if we actually keyframe the position in the color ramp, driving the focus, we get a nice animation. Other things that I've animated are panning using a transform node followed by a crop to get rid of the excess, and some light flickering using a light group. One tip is to switch from the timeline to the graph editor and tweak the interpolation of the animations. For example, while the dove effect might benefit from Bezier transitions, the pan effect definitely looks better with a linear interpolation. Also, don't forget to plug your composition in an output node and point where you want your frames to be saved. And now if we hit render, Blender will only do all the compositing animations, which gives us a few seconds per frame. And that's how I made this animation from a single render. Subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.